so while Peggy's getting ready, let me get you guys prepared because I know what's coming. If you have not studied perspective at any point in your drawing practice, a lot of this information is going to seem foreign. So don't freak out. Give yourself time. We've got some resources, books to suggest if you need to be reminded about some ideas of perspective. But Peggy in particular today, she's going to show how to do multiple figures as they recede in perspective, and she's going to move them. There's a thing she calls parallel perspective that she's going to show you how to move them within that plane. This would be the kind of lesson we're going to do it as clearly as possible, and then if you don't understand it, go back to the recording. We have a whole month. Those of you
8 heads. That's the ideal figure. 8 heads. That, and again, you'll see my dots and how that works. Whether I'm in a open session, a life drawing, or from on the beach or in here, I measure everything off the head to chin. Bring that down. If we all went down to the beach and someone laid down on the ground, someone sat in a chair, someone stood, and then someone got up on a ladder, if each one of us put our pencil out, guess where that would land? Where the sky meets the ocean.
This situation, the vanishing point and the horizon line, you know, they intersect off the page. Another John Singer Sargent. Notice the believability of the scale of the figures. Here, if you're really looking for a homework assignment.
So if I have a figure here, she's going to be this tall. If I have a big mixture, you can go ahead and push some color. Build more form later. Sometimes I go, I'm just leaving that just like that. Check the drawing of this real quick. And so, you know, if I'm at my easel, I just stand back with my, do this, my filter, and go, yeah, they're looking really almost the same. It doesn't take much to adjust a color.
You know, so if I want her to be over there, that's about the size she fits into as she goes farther and farther back.
So again, look what I'm building, just big masses, right? Just lighter, and it really goes, I don't know, I guess I see more ultramarine in the water sometimes and more cerulean in the sky, but it really, everything gets easier as you practice.
I thought I knew a lot, and turns out there's a lot I don't know, and so I learned a lot watching this. I'm really looking forward to your next session. Thanks, Peggy.
Thanks, guys. Bye.